If you're someone who values their health, you need to know these 7 stroke warning signs. They could save your life. First up, sudden numbness or weakness, especially on one side of the body. Even if it's temporary, don't brush it off. Next, confusion or trouble speaking. If words are suddenly hard to find, it's time to pay attention. Third, vision problems. Blurry or double vision can be more than just an optical issue. Fourth, dizziness or loss of balance. Feeling off-kilter without a good reason? Take it seriously. Fifth, a severe headache that hits you out of nowhere. If it's the worst headache of your life, get to a doctor. Sixth, paralysis of the face. If you notice a droopy smile, it's a red flag. Last but not least, nausea or vomiting. Sudden and unexplained, it could mean more than just a stomach bug. Remember, these signs can save lives. If you or someone you know experiences any of them, don't wait. Seek medical help immediately.